Talk to me about what your view is of the other countries and the role they are likely to play. Where are certain countries' strengths lying today, right? That you could highlight today, maybe?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I think one key factor here is to what extent technologies help to concentrate power in a smaller number of actors, or the technology rapidly becomes diffuse. So, on the one hand, you have technologies like nuclear technology. It's very difficult to develop nuclear reactors or nuclear weapons, and nuclear weapons are really limited to a small number of countries. They really divide the world into those who have nuclear weapons and those that do not. But then you have other technologies like smartphones that proliferate very rapidly and then in many ways level the playing field. So which one is artificial intelligence? And I think what we've seen so far is that AI proliferates very rapidly and that tends to level the playing field. So even though the United States and China right now are the main leaders in artificial intelligence, those gains proliferate to others very quickly. If you look at just what's happening on the battlefield in Ukraine, artificial intelligence is being used on the battlefield, and in some cases it's being done by civilians in Ukraine that are taking machine learning tools that are available for free online, and they're downloading them, they're training neural networks, they're putting those on civilian drones that are then being used on the battlefield. And that just shows how widely available the technology is. We've already seen this with military drones, and even non-state groups like ISIS had a drone air force that was actually pretty capable and caused some casualties among Iraqis. And so that's an area where with AI, I think really all countries and even non-state groups and individuals are going to have access to AI technology. It's going to be more about how do they use it, how do they harness AI effectively for whatever purpose they're trying to do. Whether it's a country increasing their national power or a company increasing their growth and their revenue, using AI is going to be what really matters the most.